Hi, Julian.
Mommy's taking pictures. Look at the camera. And here we go.
Say something, Julian. Say something. Hi. Oops, you dropped your guy.